inmates, and welcome to Today in the Workshop. This is probably the very last video you see in here. Why? Well, stay tuned and you'll find out. Okay, the main reason is we're moving. Thanks to you guys, a bike thing has been doing so well over the last 2 years that we've had to expand. My double garage here at my home just isn't big enough. And those of you who have been here and actually had your bikes worked on and had Denali bundles, Innovv K2 dash cams installed, you'll know the size of it in here. It used to be spacious, but I'm just maxing out on stock every week and I just need more space. The business is living out of boxes, whereas really we need to completely open up, get a nice big stock room with bigger workshops so we can take on 2 or 3 workshop bays, take on staff, open up a coffee shop, etc, etc. So we've bought this fantastic place right out in the middle of the countryside. Not going to say too much just yet because it's still a couple of weeks away. Anyway, so I'm going to very quickly talk about the K2. This is not a magic trick. I really do have several K2s here. I feel like I'm just being a bit silly today. It's not even Friday, it's Wednesday. So, quite cool, quite cool. That's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah. Getting a little bit excited. So a customer sent me a video at the weekend and I have no idea who this guy is. All I know is that he bought a K2 from me, but he said to me, "Steve, I've just downloaded this from my K2. Maybe you want to put this on your channel just to show what the K2 captured on my bike." Now I can now see why he's anonymous, because he is outright breaking the law. So the next video clip I'm going to show you is him riding his bike at over 100 miles per hour and he hits a pheasant. As you look over the footage, you'll see that it's so lucky. It could have been so different. Now, I don't know what you've hit out there on the road. Leave a comment down below and tell me what sort of things you've had where you hit like birds, hedgehogs, badgers, I don't know, whatever. It might be pheasants. For me personally, I'd only been riding a year and I was riding an Aprilia Tuono. I hit a pigeon at 60 miles an hour and it hit the top of my head. Now, if I hadn't ducked my head down, it would have gone straight through my visor. I was wearing all the right gear. I remember I had a brand new Rallye helmet and I was making my way to work. I was quite a new rider at the time. I know, Aprilia Tuono 1000cc was my first bike. So it's a bit too much of a bike for me, if I'm completely honest, at that time. And I was doing 60 miles an hour and I hit the pigeon on top of my head, and the only way I could describe it, it was like someone had put 1 or 2 household bricks wrapped up in a towel and then slingshot it around your head. It's still going to really hurt. And I remember I felt like I was on the verge of passing out whilst I was riding the bike. So it really did hurt and it stunned me big time. So I can imagine. So this next video clip I'm going to show you, that's over 100 miles an hour hitting a pheasant, and all I know is that it's hurt his hand. So it's he told me it broke the hand guard on his GS Adventure and it bruised his left hand, but he's okay now. That's all I know, but he was very lucky it didn't have him off. But you can see from the video footage and you can actually hear the clutch being pulled in. My guess is he didn't pull the clutch in at all. That is the pressure of the pheasant hitting the handguard, which hits his hand, which then pulls the clutch lever in and you hear the revs pop up. But if he didn't have the K2 on his bike, he wouldn't have got this footage for us to see. So take a look, let me know what you think. I'm sure I'm going to get lots of thumbs downs for this and maybe a few thumbs up. Either way, I don't care. The point is, if you want a K2 dash cam and you've been just deciding whether you should go for a K2 dash cam or not, well, this might be a good opportunity for you to hit that button. There's a link down below and go ahead and purchase the K2 from me. I will offer you the best customer support I can possibly give you. I install these things for a living, so I've probably installed more of these K2s than anyone in the whole of the world. I don't know, maybe that's a bit Possibly. Okay, let's play that again. This time I've synchronized the front and the rear camera together in my editing software, so I can do this. Try 5. What do you reckon? This is all I have in stock at the moment, and I've ordered a load more, but there are none available in the country. They are still selling out very, very quickly. So if you want to get your hands on one of these now, then I really recommend you do so. I supply all the SD cards. I'm looking over here because they're all over my shelf. 256GB SD cards and 128GB SD cards. You'll see when you go through onto the website, you can choose whether you want just this. Click on the little drop down and you can select 128 or 256GB SD card, and I'll put that in the box as well. The other thing I do, which a lot of people ask for, is I will put in a PosiTap connector in here for you, because they don't come as standard, so you can connect your yellow wire, the switched live wire, to a switched live source on your bike using a PosiTap, because they don't come in the box. They do, however, fit them with the spade connectors, the little ring connectors now, which is fantastic. I wonder if they did that because of my previous videos where I said I'm the only person that does this. So I don't need to put ring connectors on them anymore because they're already on there. Do you know what? No, 3 of these are already gone, because I've got installs. I've got an install tomorrow, I've got an install on Friday, and an install on Tuesday. I've actually got my whole of October is fully booked, but there's 3 Innovv K2s that are being installed. So all I've got are these 2 here, and I don't know when my next load are going to come in. Hopefully in the next few weeks. So if you want a K2, you know the drill. Where's my bike? Where's my bike? My bike isn't here. Where is it? I don't know. I don't know. I may have bought a new bike. But what colour have I gone for? Which one have I gone for? Have I gone for the Bumblebee 40th anniversary? Hell no! It's a nice looking bike, but I think people are going to get quite tired. I think it's going to date quite quickly, so I haven't gone for that. Have I gone for a GSA or have I gone for the GS? Because as a lot of you know, I've had 3 GSAs. So I haven't. By the way, I haven't sold my GSA. I still have it. It's just not here right now. Why? Because I need space. So I literally give it to someone. It's in someone else's garage, so I've got space to work. It's crazy, isn't it? The plan is we're going to get a load of bikes in here. I'm probably going to go to the dark side and get a KTM as well. I'm thinking about that seriously. I'm going to get a G310 in. I'm going to buy one of those in, and I'm going to buy either a 750 or an 850 GS, the F750 GS. Kiss it all out, so we've got that on display. As you can see, I haven't got the space here to do that, but we're moving into bigger premises, so we're going to have loads of space soon. Loads of space. Stay tuned. Don't just subscribe, click on that bell as well, so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because there's going to be new videos coming very soon. Alright, catch you on the other side, guys. Catch you on the other side? That just sounds fucking stupid. Catch you on the other side.